Start. 5 seconds to go. Start. A constitution establish the basic structure of government and the rights and responsibilities of citizens. Stop. It reigns supreme over all other legal instruments in a country. Stop. As foundational documents, constitutions are purposefully difficult to modify, with changes frequently requiring some sort of supermajority approval in the legislature or popular referendum. Stop. Many institutions include information relevant to natural resources, such as the structure of political institutions, checks and balances within the political system, rights to land ownership, environmental protection, civil legal process, and labor standards. Stop. Fundamental values concerning natural resource governance, including national ownership of subsoil resources and a commitment by the state to manage these resources in the public interest, are included in some constitutions in resource rich countries. Stop. Most countries do not establish specific rules governing the sector. Stop. A few countries have included specific provisions on key policy issues, including formulas for resources revenue sharing. For example, Nigeria, South Sudan, requirements that parliament approve contracts. Stop. National policies and laws should provide a coherent set of strategies and rules to govern behavior in the sector. Stop. Many countries draft formal petroleum or mineral sector policies to define a core set of principles and goals that will underpin all other rules and activities. Stop. Some policies are approved by a national legislature, while others are promulgated by the executive alone. Stop. The best designed policies are developed through a process of broad based consultation that incorporates stakeholder feedback and provides a clear explanation of public strategy. Stop. Regulations are usually the implementing rules created by an executive body of government to make legislation practical. Stop. They are most often tried to a law but provide significantly more detail. Stop. Dictation ends.